The Office Location tab enables you to create office locations whereby you describe your assets in terms of manufacturer and supplying locations. To add it, click the green icon here. It will take you to this Search Office window. Fill in the locations of your law office. Click the magnifying glass icon to process to select the company. The new box here will pop out. You can use plus icon to add an office, or you can simply search the office. By clicking the magnifying glass here for the already inserted company details. When I double-click here, this window appears and you can identify the name of the company and its details. And also the emergency details. I close the window. Now I'm clicking this company as my manufacturer, and for supplier, I'm randomly choosing this. My disclaimer will be my manufacturer, and I click Save. My newly entered location will appear here. So if you come to your output, you can select your office here and it will appear in your 1.3 and 1.4 section. When we come to here, this office tab here is for you to refer the full details of the offices you have created.